Welcome to the Motus Video Zone. With your copy of the Motus K53 book and these easy-to-follow videos, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to pass your test with flying colors. Correct steering, obviously, is the basic fundamental of safe driving. The 10-to-2 push and pull method of steering is not required during the yard test, but is required at all other times during the practical driving test. Keep things simple and use it during the yard test too, and you won't develop bad habits. So, position hands on the steering wheel in a 10-to-2 position. Always keep both hands on the wheel except for the purpose of gear changing, signaling, or operating controls. Steer smoothly using the push and pull method. Don't straddle lane markings and avoid cutting corners or turning too wide. If you continuously make a steering fault, such as resting your hand on the gear lever knob, you'll lose points for every 5 to 8 seconds it is continued. And don't turn the steering wheel while the vehicle is stationary. And that's it. Remember, these videos are here to help you better understand all the steps outlined in your Motus K53 book. So keep practicing and stay alert, stay safe, and stay ahead with Motus. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more K53 tips, competitions, and exciting prizes.